Hello, dear friends. Today we will discuss how to draw a perfect trend line and how to take a trade over the trend lines and the support and resistance through the trend lines. So we go to the bigger time frame and we go to the monthly chart. This is the chart of the crude oil futures. So on the monthly chart we have clearly a support green line and the resistance red line. Simple trend lines. And then we go to the lower time frame for the weekly. We go to the weekly time frames and little bit adjust our trend lines like that. So little bit like this and like this. Perfect. So we go switch to the 4 hour time frames, go there like this, and boom. After that, how to take a bullish trade and how to take a bearish trade. So we have a bigger trend lines of the monthly chart time frame and we adjust over the weekly time frame. And after that, we need to look out at the RSI or the RSI divergence at the 4 hour time frame for the trade to be taken. So here, like this, here we have a RSI oversold 30, and my time frame of the RSI, you can look at the trading view. It's a Hilega Milega indicator, and my length of RSI is 28 and moving average is 42. And this is like how I trade, and this is my setup of the trend line. So here at 4 hour time frame, because on the bigger trend line which works like that. So at 4 hour time frame we see here it comes a 30 RSI and it comes down, and we see the RSI divergence. Now you can see here the price is going down, but the RSI has shifted towards upside like this. So now we know, okay, the crude oil will go up because we have seen the 4 hour time frame, the RSI divergence there, and you can see, wow, beautiful move out there like this, a big move there. And after that you can see here, perfect. So market is bullish, and if you want to make it more perfect, then go to the steeper trend line a little bit. Wait a minute. So you can draw one more steeper trend line from there here like this. Wow, beautiful. And once this steeper trend lines getting broken by the candle towards downside, then go for the short trade. And as you can see how big the short, 1,000 point towards short side, and long side is here. So this is how we draw a trend line. First of all, we need to go to the bigger time frame monthly chart, draw a trend line, and then we see the RSI divergence, or the bullish RSI, or the bearish RSI, or the oversold RSI, or the overbought RSI. According to that, we need to take a trade towards a bullish trade or towards a bearish trade. This is a simple trading strategy, nothing more than this. First of all, we need to draw a trend line at a higher time frame, and we need to take an entry, the entry through RSI divergence, and exit through trend lines at the 4 hour time frame. If you have any query, if you have any question regarding this, then please ping me on my channel, ping me to the comment me to the channels. And thank you very much for seeing this video, and please like, comment and subscribe further. Thank you very much. Thanks for your support. Please like, comment and subscribe for such more intelligent videos, how to take a trade in the futures. This is the one chart of crude oil. If you want any other videos, then I can explain how to draw a trend line. Thank you very much.